So shout out Prestige, right? Prestige. I'm sorry. Prestige. Yeah. Shout out for the invite. We're outside. GS. First clean car we see. Shocker. Not really. But let's see what else is here. The music in the background, but it's alright. On the RPF one. I love, how do you feel about the black chrome? Is that what, what it would be?
Like the best ones you could buy for RPF one in terms of color.
Fire.
I was just looking at the GS. Genesis rolls. My fault, I didn't even finish straight to GS's.
Prelude. I wonder what kit that is. Because that don't belong there.
I can't finish the kit.
Oh, you need to shut up.
I like this.
No shame, no shame. Don't listen to him. But damn. Hold on, wait a minute. What? If you know, you know, man. Bees. The Habibis. We're gonna try to keep this going for as long as possible, people, okay? All right, SI back there, nice clean paint. From a distance, it looks.
Well, my storage is full from recording in that mode.
Really?
Yeah.
How do you guys feel about like that little vinyl thing that people are doing? It's supposed to be like a reflective kit, I think, on the rims, or like they'll do it like on the accents and all over the place. But there's a nice video that they came out with that when they launched that. And it was really fire. When I had my 11th gen Civic, I wanted to do that because it was really nice. But not everybody does it, honestly. And he just only has it on the wheels, I think. Yeah, pretty much. And then we have a 350 over here. That's in the cut. Intense detail? I forgot. What do we do?
This is clean. Not my taste, but this is clean.
I'm trying to remember. Where do we see this car?
At yall.
Oh, yeah. Fair point. Everybody goes there, yo. Beamski. TSX wagon. You're not slick. You're hiding in the corner. Do you see the wagon? Just hiding. My little rinky dinky little car. I can't wait to get that dent out. It's a dimple for right now. Regular traffic. What is this? I'm too damn close. Mustang GS. Ooh. What are we looking at? Drop it in the comments if you know.
To actually do anything with cars.
There's nothing but Midnight Club here. Midnight Club over here. This one. Trying to figure out who else. Oh, I like the red. See, the Red Bull is giving. That might be an idea for me, guys. As corny as it might be, I might do this shit for real because I think it's a nice idea, and I love Red Bull because it gives you wings, guys. But see, another Midnight Club, another one. Like they're everywhere out here. Look, another one. Bomb. I don't know what that is.
Why is that shit on my phone? Big step up.
That shit is nice.
I feel like the most like.
I want me a wagon. I keep telling y'all, I'm gonna get a fucking one. Every time I just see these wagons, I always have more hope that I'm gonna get one.
What?
Because I can see myself in a wagon.
What wagon?
A TSX. Or even a BMW. I don't know, figure it out. But
yeah, I seen it.
look at Fast Girl over here. Wom. Yep. The touchy one. boy is always outside. But he's a little mean. I don't know. Shout out. Pookie.
Let's go look at more NPC. That's
I didn't get a chance to get this rolling by the first time.
that boy did a spin through me, and I was moving. I don't blame you, my boy. God safe.
We might catch a movie after this. This show's fire. Oh, that boy. Bye. Ah yes. 300. Another puidu. I didn't even realize he's on a tire. It's all black, so like everything just like hold on. Let me let the camera focus. Hold on. Yeah. Yeah. Well, like what? Yeah, that blended in really bad. I mean, really good, but like I couldn't see that. You would have had. Nope. You would have had my eyes full. Nope. The bikes are outside too. Is that like the booty patrol over there? I think so. This fire. Yeah, I want one. I can't.
Imagine getting hit by a bike. H2.
There's always so many speakers out or chucheros out. Sorry, let me fix my lenguaje. My little baby, I'm about to sit on this shit because, bro, I'm not even. Yeah.
Scissors, bro.
Here we go again. I saw this and I'm like, oh my god, hold on, wait a minute.
That shit used to be red. BMW done right.
Clean.
How BMW should look. I've always loved how
Let's slide. That shit will spin out first. But yeah, it's gonna go in the back, like set up in the corner where everybody puts it. It's gonna be.
They out of here, boy.
I realized from the front.
Vlogging.
I want to get on the game. That's what I'm trying to get on. They got motor controllers here again. I'm on a wagon.
CF.
Bundy Woody's here.
Right now. The one that comes
Big Mark 5.
Oh, yeah.
Damn.
The clip is ruined, unfortunately.
No, it's not. No, it's not. I can edit it on my laptop.
I hate doing that. Buy it, shit. Look.
Outside. The Fusa.
Yeah, my speedometer don't work, so I don't really know. I just promoted
Did in fact get my ass handed to me in Smash Bros. I lost 3 times. I was playing Kirby, but I was putting in that work. So can't lie. I did try.
Yeah, just hold that shit for 5 minutes, bro. I'm good.
Big muscle boys are outside. Damn, this shit filled up. I didn't even realize. It's over here. Fire. Oi, yeah. Huepa. This all filled up too over here. We're gonna keep it moving.
But I see them around way more than you know.
Bro, he's
No
next
disrespect.
block.
Shout out.
No disrespect.
He can walk home right now.
Oh, so now you're taking it out on him because it's your job to do that. Okay. Whatever. And he just pulled somebody else over. He's big mad. I don't know who shitted in his cereal this morning. But yeah, that's the cue to go though. Once people start getting pulled over. Yeah. I mean, I don't know. That kind of looks a little. Another one? The perp.
Big drift guy.
Big drift guy.
I can smell that shit. What?
Tripping, bro. You just pull over somebody else. Like he's literally just circling and catching people while they're leaving, like finding something to pull them over.
Yeah, finding a reason. Makes no sense.
This G's kind of clean. I ain't gonna lie.
Them boys is trying to get out right now because while that guy over there is pulled over, they can get away and just go home peacefully. Some crazy shit, but y'all, we out. We're going home. I'm hungry. Okay, hungry. But everybody's going home. Everybody packing it up. I'm about to go.